all, let me congratulate you. The songs are doing so well. The first look, इतना सारा प्यार उसे मिला. एक बार जोरदार तालियां हो जाए, please. So सबसे पहले क्या बोलना चाहेंगे इतने सारे हमारे जो मीडिया के मित्र लोग हैं यहाँ?
जी, first of all a big thank you for all the media support, क्योंकि अक्सर ऐसे होता है कि हम लोग कई बार प्रपोजल्स बनाते हैं, 5 गाने डाल देते फिल्म के अंदर एंड वी गेट योर A-list एक्टर्स और हम लोग बोलते कि ये फिल्म है. और लेकिन मैं कॉन्फिडेंटली कह सकता हूँ कि दिस इज एन एब्सोल्युटली फैंटास्टिक फिल्म. हमने फिल्म बनाई है. द क्रेडिट फॉर दैट फिल्म आई ऑब्वियसली गिव माय डायरेक्टर निशिकांत कामत, हु इज द रियल हीरो ऑफ द फिल्म. और बाकी के जो हमारे जो को प्रोड्यूसर है, सुनील टेडी जो हमारे फिल्म के एक विलन है, और निशी जो विलन भी है इस फिल्म के अंदर, Sunny or Inder Baba, big hand to them. The songs that they've given are absolutely fantastic. T-Series, Vinod Banushali, जो हमारे साथ यहाँ पे, और handsome co-producer Sunil Khetarpal. And there's a very pretty little girl there who's the heroine of the film, Diya. So, तो मैं credit पूरे team को देना चाहता हूँ. And I think any film is complete when the full team comes together. और ये बहुत ही स्पेशल फिल्म है. और अक्सर लोग बोलते हैं कि वर्ड ऑफ माउथ से फिल्म चलती है. आई थिंक दिस फिल्म, मैं कॉन्फिडेंटली कह सकता हूँ, विल हैव अ वेरी 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 स्ट्रॉन्ग वर्ड ऑफ माउथ, क्योंकि ऑडियंस इज किंग. फाइनली वो डिसाइड करते हैं कि फिल्म चलती है नहीं चलती है. आई एम वेरी वेरी कॉन्फिडेंट अबाउट दिस फिल्म, क्योंकि ये फिल्म मैंने देखी है एंड इट्स एब्सोल्युटली outstanding. I love it, but that's also because I'm a big fan of Nishikant Kamath and I love his work. So I'd like to show the trailer first, और trailer के बाद हम लोग बात करेंगे, because I can keep talking. So we'd like to show the trailer at least a couple of times to the media here. And once again, to the media and all my friends here, thank you for being here, and I hope you'll really enjoy this trailer. Thank you, Nitin.
Wow. Thank you, John. Thank you so much. सुनील सर, सबसे पहले आपसे पूछना चाहूंगा मैं यहाँ, जो Azure Entertainment का ये एकदम ऐसा लॉन्च हुआ है, why with Rocky Handsome? मतलब क्या दिमाग में था काफी अरसे से यही चीज?
Well, we wanted to start with a big action film, and we found a story where there was an amazing connection between emotion and action. And then the story found John and Nishi, and that's how it started.
Wow, an amazing, मतलब what a start यार, ड्रीम स्टार्ट है सच में मिस्टर खेतरपाल. निशिकांत सर, आपसे जानना चाहूंगा, जैसे मैंने कहा मल्टीटास्किंग के बाप हैं, डायरेक्टर भी हैं और एक्टर भी हैं, वैसे ही प्रोड्यूसर भी हैं, एक्टर भी हैं. कभी जॉन का वो जो प्रोड्यूसर था वो उनके एक्टर होने पे हावी हुआ? अचानक से आ गए हो कुछ कहने?
नहीं. John and we go back such a long time that we can discuss everything in detail. कुछ भी बात कर सकते हैं वैन के अंदर, बाहर नहीं. No, but I think we have a great working equation. तो वैसे कभी दिक्कत आ ही नहीं सकती,
है ना? आ ही नहीं सकती, बिल्कुल. यहाँ पे बोल दिया विलन साहब ने हीरो की तारीफ करते हुए. हीरो साहब, आपसे जानना चाहेंगे, जो विलन साहब ये इनका जो विलनी वाला अवतार था, वो डायरेक्शन में कभी घुसा? मतलब एकदम से गुस्सा एकदम चिल्लम चिल्ली?
नहीं, वो एक दो बार जब ही निकले विद हिज बॉल्ड हेड, तभी पहली बार जब ही निकले, आई वाज काइंड ऑफ शॉक्ड. आई वाज लाइक वाओ, दिस लुक इज अमेजिंग. और मैंने कहा कि और मैं आपको दावे के साथ कह सकता हूँ कि जितने सारे हमारे अवार्ड्स हैं, निशिकांत इज गोना बी नॉमिनेटेड फॉर एक्टर इन द बेस्ट नेगेटिव रोल.
दराजीज
नहीं, वहां नहीं होगा सर. सुनील सर, मतलब उन लोगों ने तो अपना एक्टिंग भी कर लिया, सब कुछ इतना अच्छा, आपने नहीं सोचा कि मैं भी एक इसमें कैमियो करूं? कुछ ऐसा था कुछ निशिकांत ने या जॉन ने कुछ सजेस्ट किया हो?
I think we handled the back end very well. So it's an amazing team experience. It's an amazing jugalbandi of sorts. They know what they do best. A producer's job is to facilitate making of a great film. And I think on 25th, very proudly, we look back and say what a film we made.
Wow, superb. And we just loved the trailer. अभी ऐसे बहुत सारे सवाल होंगे जिनके जवाब आपने देने, तो मैं चाहूंगा आप लोग प्लीज आसन ग्रहण करें यहाँ पे. And now it's over to the media.
Yeah, just before that, I'd like to also give credit to Ritesh Shah, who's written this film. Rahul Nanda, I don't know where Rahul is right now. कहीं पे होगा यहाँ पे. He's done the publicity designs for this film. And Bombay Rockers and Ankit Tiwari. Rod, our action director. Where's Rod? Can't see him. He's a big guy. You can't miss him. So And Shankar Raman, our DOP, क्योंकि he's made this film look absolutely fantastic. Shankar, wherever you are, okay, I can see you now with this. काफी lights, काफी strong है यहाँ पे. And to each one, sorry if I missed out anybody, but I think our entire team out here is absolutely
There are
fantastic.
a lot of people. There's Just Right Studios who did the promotional. I mean, they made the cut, the trailer cut. Then, of course, my editor Arif Sheikh, Sunny Inder Baura, of course, we discussed before. Shankar Raman, my DOP, Rodney, my action director, my entire direction department, my production department. They all have contributed, and I'm sorry if I missed out on anyone.
अमेजिंग या जो रॉक स्टार्स का नाम अभी लिया है यहाँ पे, प्लीज मैं आप लोगों से गुजारिश करूंगा, यू कैन कम हियर एंड प्लीज हैव अ सीट. आगे आ सकते हैं आप लोग.
Yeah, come, Arif, Rodney,
This is the
we
moment,
can't
yeah.
miss you. You'll see a small action director on his way.
स्मॉल एक्शन डायरेक्टर.
And also,
Oh.
also Shruti Hassan, she's shooting in London, and we've consciously taken a decision क्योंकि श्रुति का special appearance था इस film के अंदर, and she's got two of the most beautiful songs composed by Sunny and Inder in this film, and we took a conscious decision that this film, our wonder kid and our little heroine is sitting there, Diya. So she needs to be here. And Nora's in the crowd here. Nora, hi Nora, wherever you are. Fantastic song, Rock the Party. And Natalie also को congratulate करना चाहता हूँ. वो कहाँ पे सुनील को पता होगा. अच्छा, in Brazil. So she's also missing, but you know, they're all important members of the cast, and Sunil is blushing.
We didn't miss that. Sunil is blushing. Okay, now it's over to the media. आप लोगों के सवाल जवाब, प्लीज आप लोग प्लीज हैव अ सीट.
Shweta, that's a joke, huh, Shweta?
Hi, John. This is Urvi here from Pinkvilla. To your left. Yeah. Hi. John, last time when we had spoken, you said that the trailer boasts, the film boasts of never seen before action, which is rightly seen in the trailer. Was there any kind of preparation that you had to do for doing this kind of action?
Yeah, so I went off to Thailand for I think a little less than a month, and I trained in especially the knife action that you see. So even if the knives are blunt, they really hurt. So I remember when I used to go in for a shower in the evening, I used to remember the action in the day. Because the whole body was black and blue during training. But I think it all paid off because my director gave me a brief and he said the action has to be of a certain caliber. And I think we've achieved that with this film. So it's like I say, it's real action. It's not kung fu, it's not karate, it's not CG, but it's real action, and you can believe it that this guy is hitting people, they are getting hurt. So we wanted to stick to the realism.
Hi, John, over here. John, you know, you're doing two back-to-back action films. One is Rocky Handsome, another is Force, and both the films are said to have taken the action to the next level. So how differently have you approached the action in both films?
I think I can speak for Rocky Handsome now because Force is still in production. Force has got a completely different brief and a different kind of an action. Force 2. Force is directed by Nishi. Rocky Handsome, of course, you know, we really wanted to take the action to the next level, and we wanted to make sure that you know what the country was missing was real action heroes. And if you see the best action heroes internationally, correct me if I'm wrong, would be Stallone, would be Bruce Willis, would be Schwarzenegger, would be Dwayne Johnson, The Rock. These are your big action heroes. And it's not about the action as much as it is about the attitude. And I think that's what we try to maintain, the right balance of body, action, and the attitude.
And how many action sequences are there in Rocky Handsome?
In totality, I think so 9 or 10, but 7 major sequences. Yeah.
Bone crunching, huh? Really bone crunching.
हाय जॉन, दिस इज प्राची फ्रॉम दैनिक जागरण. इस फिल्म का नाम कैसे डिसाइड किया गया, रॉकी हैंडसम?
Now we always have this debate who found the name, but I found it.
Okay.
Then it all started that it's Johnny Handsome. When we saw this look, I said, you look very handsome in this. So Johnny Handsome was a film way back. Then we thought Johnny becomes too direct, like Johnny, John Abraham. So we gave it a thought 1 or 2 days, and I thought of Rocky Handsome. He always says he thought. No, I thought of it. And
For
I
me,
got-
it worked because Stallone, I'm a big fan of Stallone. So, but credit to Nishi, he really thought of this name, and I think it's a very catchy name. With whatever research we've done, extremely catchy.
No, and also it does justice to the subject. Like both the names he's called in different places.
Nishi sir, here Ali from movietalks.com. My question to you, same time during the action and acting, how difficult for you same time doing action and acting? Yeah,
Acting and direction.
yeah.
Very honestly, extremely difficult. I have never done it before. I've done separately. I've acted at. I've done my share of theater and everything. But I've been a very pure director when it comes to directing. It is difficult, and I respect those legends who have done it before, like the greats who have been actor directors for generations and successful. The biggest problem or I face is if I'm acting, I'm thinking like a director, whether the opposite actor is performing well or not, the trolley position is correct or not, the lights are correct or not, and that disturbs my performance. So I don't make justice to my own acting if I'm directing at the same time. So in fact, it was a last moment thing that I had to act in the film. Ideally, I will not direct myself as an actor. I will try and avoid it. Yeah, separately I might act or separately I might direct, but not together.
But same time, don't even look like who decide the look. Totally like bored.
So he's a director; he decides everything.
No, actually, Teddy plays my younger brother. Teddy, just get up, no? See, this is how he looks. So,
Did he come on stage? Yeah.
so it is like a tale of two brothers. So I had to look like his brother, and the best way was to get tonsured. No, actually, I had just thought of it 2-3 days before when I kept on looking at Teddy, and I said, "How will I look like his brother?" So the idea came off, and then yes, my assistants made it a point that I stay tonsured for 1.5 years. So they kept on, yeah. After every 3 months, they would have a schedule saying that, no, now you'll have to do takla again. They kept me busy with that. Thank you for that.
Okay, lastly, now you're more focused in direction and acting because you're famous in, I think now, villain also. So
No. Direction will always remain first love. That always remains.
John, this is Nandeep from DNA here. I have a question to both of you. You guys have gifted us Force, which redefined action in Bollywood. There's a recall value to that film. Also, people expect a lot from you guys, both as a pair. So, do you think it will be an advantage or a disadvantage for Rocky Handsome, or both?
I think I can only see it being an advantage. It's because Nayandeep, we've actually taken the film, honestly, we've taken it to another level. I wouldn't just say it. You've seen the trailer, you've seen what we've done here. And what we do is we benchmark our films against our last films only. That's the best way of doing it. And I think this is completely taken to another level.
Obviously, the collaboration of me and him and Force behind us helps Rocky Handsome. It's definitely an advantage when it comes to release. But we, as individuals, we had a much higher responsibility that if we've created some sort of a name as a team, then we have to take it to the next level. In fact, it was in a way disadvantage for us in the sense while working that we had to constantly remind ourselves that it has to be way better than Force or our earlier collaborations. But yes, it definitely helps for the film that we are working together again.
You know, one more question. Marketing and promotions are an integral part of filmmaking today. This film has been marketed really intelligently. You know, there's a teaser coming out, then the songs, then the trailer. Whose plan was it, and how creatively are you involved, John, in the marketing campaign? Like releasing it 3 weeks prior to the...
I think, see, that's a very good question. I'll tell you, first of all, I'll give credit to Digi Osmosis, which is doing our digital campaign, Spot On, which is doing our on-ground campaign, and Parag and our entire PR team. But outside of that, Rahul Nanda is someone who has been very instrumental in actually making this happen. He's been a think tank, and outside of that, I think Sunir and his entire team with Nishi and me, we've actually, each one of us has been completely involved, because if you see, this is not a multi-starrer. This is just 3 or 4 of us sitting here. So each one of us has taken every little photograph into account, saying 3 हफ्ते पहले ये रिलीज होना चाहिए, उसके बाद 2 हफ्ते पहले या 3 दिन पहले ये रिलीज होना चाहिए, 2 दिन पहले ये. So even if you see the trailer launch, everything has been, every little thing has been taken into account. So we've actually been very careful with the marketing, but we've also been very honest with the film. We've not tried to show another film that it is. This is Rocky Handsome. This is what you're going to get, and please come and watch it.
निशिकांत सर, आपके राइट इधर मैं ईटीवी से रितेश हूँ.
Actually, just one second, apologies. Just Right Studios, who's done visual promotions, has a big hand in the way our various things are looking on the audiovisual format.
Yeah, Manish, I think fantastic. I just gave him a big hug today for a fantastic presentation.
सर, आपसे सवाल है कि जब ये कैरेक्टर लिखे जा रहे थे, तभी से आपका डिसाइड था कि आप ही विलेन बनेंगे, कोई और भी दिमाग में था?
वेरी ऑनेस्टली नहीं था. मैंने सोचा भी नहीं था कि मैं विलन का किरदार करूँगा. इनफैक्ट मेरे एक बहुत करीबी दोस्त है जो एक्टर नहीं है, लेकिन उनका फेस बहुत इंटरेस्टिंग था, तो मैं उनके पीछे पड़ा था कि आप ये रोल करो, आप ये रोल करो. तो बोला हाँ मैं सोचता हूँ ये वो. थोड़ा क्या है कि रोल वो बोलता मैंने एक्टिंग कभी की नहीं है. वो बोलता मैं संभाल लूँगा, सिर्फ आप ये रोल करो क्योंकि आपका फेस बहुत इंटरेस्टिंग है. करते करते शूटिंग का दौर आ गया, शूटिंग स्टार्ट हो गई और वो लास्ट मोमेंट पे बोला मैं नहीं कर सकता. वो थोड़ा सा ये हो गया. दोस्त है मेरा बहुत करीबी. तो जब 2 दिन रह गए थे तब तक कास्टिंग हुई नहीं थी और जॉन सर की डेटें थी हमारे पास, मतलब सारे एक्टर्स की डेट्स थी. तो वी कुडंट चेंज द स्केड्यूल एंड इट वाज अ थॉट कि क्या करे. एंड इनफैक्ट मी एंड माय डायरेक्शन डिपार्टमेंट, हमने सोचा ये रिस्क ले गया और दे ऑल्सो सेट कि आपको कर लेना चाहिए. एंड आई जस्ट गॉट 2-3 days टू प्रिपेयर द लुक, बट आई ऑलवेज न्यू द कैरेक्टर बिकॉज क्योंकि मैंने लिखा हुआ था किरदार, तो मुझे किरदार पता था, लेकिन वो कैसे दिखेगा कैसे चलेगा ये मुझे तकरीबन 2-3 दिन में मिले एंड वी इमीडिएटली स्टार्टेड शूटिंग.
जॉन, आपकी बॉन्डिंग कैसी रही? एज अ डायरेक्टर आपको पहले डायरेक्ट करते थे और अब आप को स्टार एज अ वर्क कर रहे थे.
आई थिंक इट्स अमेजिंग क्योंकि निशी के साथ निशी जब भी मुझे ब्रीफ करने आता है सेट पे बिफोर द शॉट, वो मुझे देखता है एंड आई लुक एट हिम एंड ही सेज यू गॉट इट नो. आई से हाँ I got it. So it's हम लोग दोनों ऑटो पायलट पे really. I think it's a beautiful relationship. और मैं मानता हूँ कि there are few relationships that are very special. और उनमें से there is a director-actor relationship. जब भी उनका ये relationship बनता है, I think it's very special. और निशी और मेरा ये relationship बन चुका है. और मैं काफ़ी actually मैं डरता हूँ कि वो भाग जाएगा कहीं पे ऐसे. निशी let's do something. So I'm always I'm a big fan of his. डोंबिवली फास्ट, मुंबई मेरी जान, लई भारी, जो दृश्यम, जितनी सारी फोर्स ऑफ कोर्स आवर फिल्म टुगेदर. यू सी एवरी फिल्म ऑफ हिज. आई थिंक निशी इज ऑनेस्टली मार्केटिंग करने की जरूरत नहीं है. आप लोग फिल्म देखते हो, ही इज अ फैंटास्टिक डायरेक्टर. सो आई थिंक ही इज गॉट आउट समथिंग रियली स्पेशल इवन इन रॉकी हैंडसम.
John, here. John, you said you're a big fan of Sylvester Stallone. A whole lot of people were rooting for him at the Oscars this time. Were you also disappointed when he missed out?
Honestly, I was in Abu Dhabi. I didn't really follow the Oscars, but yeah, you know, when you really like somebody, you expect him to win. It's as simple as that. And he's like an underdog all the time. And Johnny Abraham is an underdog. You know?
We also hear that there is some trouble with the censor board in getting them to give you an US certificate. So
No, there was no trouble.
Okay.
We went to the censors, we asked for UA. They said, I think we should go with A. We respected them. We took.
You're happy with that?
Yeah, absolutely.
Okay. Is it also true that this movie is inspired from a Korean film called Man from Nowhere?
It's actually an official remake of a Korean film called The Man from Nowhere.
It's official, huh?
It's official.
It's an option.
But we have an Indian adaptation because when you Indianize a story which you pick up from a foreign culture, you need to adapt it to suit the sensibilities of the local audience. So for all who've seen the original film, it comes in 3 shades. There is dark blue, there is black, and there is blue-black. But our film, you've seen the trailer and you've seen the visuals. Visually, it is different, and there are elements which have been brought in to adapt the film to our sensibilities, audience sensibilities.